Laguna 4th District Representative Benji Agarao Jr. denies any connection to contractors Curly and Sara Diskaya, who previously linked him to anomalous flood control projects and identified him as one of the lawmakers who received kickbacks from them. During an independent Commission for Infrastructure hearing on Tuesday, December 2, Agarao maintains that he has never met the Diskaya couple. He says he was not a member of Congress from 2022 to 2025 or during the 19th Congress. It was his daughter, Jam Agarao, who served as the 4th District Representative from 2022 to 2025.
Katunayan nga po, sir, nagulat nga po ako kung bakit ako'y nadawit dito nung pong 2022 hanggang 2025. Hindi po ako nakaupong congressman noon. Hindi ko po personal na kilala yung mag-asawang Diskaya at wala po akong matandaan na transaksyon sa kanila.
While Agarao insists that he does not personally know Diskayas, he admits knowing a certain Alvin Mariano, who is the supposed middleman between Agarao and the Diskayas in their alleged transactions. He states that he never authorized Mariano to transact with the Diskayas on his behalf, clarifying that he only recalls meeting Mariano sometime between 2022 to 2025 when he was no longer in Congress.
Ang alam ko lang po, contractor po siya, hindi po...
Contractor po yung Alvin doon sa
yun po ang
distrito
alam ko.
ninyo.
Pero yung pong malapit, hindi ko po... wala po akong mahabang relasyon po.
He also denies the supposed 9 million peso advance given to him by the Diskayas, as well as the exotic bulldog allegedly gifted to him in exchange for infrastructure projects. Agarao maintains that his role was limited to district-specific initiatives during his time as district representative from 2014 to 2022, particularly in the budget and not the execution of projects. He says execution of projects is the role of the executive branch of the government. Agarao's hearing is the first ICI proceeding to be live-streamed, making him the first resource person to consent to being broadcast live.